Hello, political buffs. Welcome to another exciting journey into the heart of political intrigue and journalistic excellence. I'm here to guide you through the twisting corridors of power and policy, where every decision shapes our world. Today, we're diving deep into the political pulse, a riveting platform where journalism and politics converge with a bang. This is where the most pressing issues of our time are dissected and discussed. Imagine this. Every week, seasoned host Naveed Ahmed, a name synonymous with political sagacity, teams up with senior journalist Ali Asad Butt. Their combined expertise creates a dynamic duo that leaves no stone unturned. Together, they dissect the pulse of politics, bringing light to shadows where truths often lie hidden. Their investigative prowess ensures that the stories you hear are not just surface-level reports, but deep dives into the core of political events. Their arena? A vibrant studio where discussions aren't just discussions, they're revelations. The set itself is designed to foster an environment of open dialogue and critical thinking. As Naveed poses sharp, incisive questions, Ali Asad, with his decades of journalistic experience, unravels complex political webs. Their chemistry and expertise make for compelling viewing, ensuring that every episode is both informative and engaging. But why should you, as a viewer, tune in? What sets this show apart from the myriad of political talk shows out there? It's simple. In an age of information overload, distinguishing noise from substance is crucial. The political pulse cuts through the clutter to bring you the most relevant and impactful stories. The political pulse isn't just another talk show. It's a beacon for anyone craving clarity and depth in political discourse. It offers a sanctuary for those who seek to understand the intricacies of political maneuvers and their real-world implications. From the hushed whispers of corruption scandals to the overt maneuvers in political arenas, no topic is off-limits. The show delves into the stories that matter, providing context and analysis that you won't find elsewhere. This show is your weekly ticket to understanding the mechanics behind the headlines. And the best part? It's presented in a way that's accessible to everyone, regardless of their prior knowledge of politics. It's not just about presenting facts. It's about challenging the status quo, questioning what we're told, and holding power to account. The show encourages viewers to think critically and form their own opinions. The commitment of Naveed and Ali Asad to truth ensures that every episode is packed with insightful analyses and thought-provoking perspectives. Their dedication to uncovering the truth is what makes The Political Pulse a must-watch. So whether you're a political novice eager to learn or a seasoned analyst looking to refine your views, The Political Pulse is where you should be every week. The show caters to a diverse audience, making complex political issues understandable for all. Join us and be part of a community that values truth in the age of misinformation. Engage with fellow viewers, share your thoughts, and become part of the conversation. Only on TV channel Name 1. This is where you can find the most reliable and in-depth political analysis. Remember, in the world of politics, staying informed is not just a necessity, it's your power. Knowledge is the key to understanding and influencing the political landscape. Tune into The Political Pulse and empower yourself with knowledge that matters. Stay ahead of the curve and be the first to know about the latest political developments. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning. Never stop seeking the truth, because an informed citizen is a powerful citizen. Note: replace TV channel name with the actual channel name when finalizing the script. Stay tuned, stay informed, and stay empowered with The Political Pulse.